Now we are going to analyze the demographics. Okay, similar way we have to analyze here demographics also here. If you click on a demographics on the left hand side, it will show you the age wise, okay, the data here, age wise data, conversion rate, cost, as well as the impression and average cost, how many clicks we have been got from that particular age group. So it will help you in a future. For example, okay, you will become to know that the major conversion happen, better conversion rate is from a 25 age to 45. What we can do, we can select only those age group, all other age group we can pause or exclude from the ad group. Okay, so what will happen, it will save your reach will be proper, your reach will be proper, and budget will be managed very well, as well as your conversion rate will be improved by doing this analysis. In the sense, which age group doesn't have a better conversion rate, and cost is high at that particular age group, that particular time we have to exclude such age group from the ads. Okay, we have to exclude such age group from the ads. Okay, so this is a way we can check the age group in a demographics. The one more thing is that gender wise also you can analyze. Okay, similarly we can analyze the gender wise for each this one. We can check for the hair wise, is it a male or a female audience are better. Okay, so that we can exclude which one is a poor performing audience, we can exclude from the campaign. So budget will be managed very well by looking at the cost as well as a conversion rate. Similarly, we can check for the parental status. Okay, if you are interested in a parental status, majority of the time we will not be using this one parental status. And you can check with the household also, based on a household also you can check. And you can check with a combination of the all three together. Also you can analyze the this particular section you can be analyzed by using a all three together, age, gender, as well as a household income, all three together we can analyze. Okay, the analysis will be same, that is nothing but we are checking a cost and conversion rate. We are comparing a cost, average cost, and the conversion rate. Cost should be minimum, conversion rate should be, average cost should be minimum, and conversion rate should be higher. Such audience we will be keep for our next campaign. Okay, these are the things what we are going to analyze by using a demographics. You can also exclusions also you can add here. Okay, to whom you don't want to show your ads. Okay, exclusions. Then we have to select a campaign, which campaign it is, select that, and we can select the exclusions. Once you have been analyzed the data, you can select the exclusions, like for this particular campaign, don't show to male, and this one, and don't show to the age below not this one, yeah, 18 to 24 don't show, and 45 and above don't show. Okay, and income level for top 10%, okay, lower 50% don't show. Okay, this way we can save the exclusions. In the sense, your ad will not be shown to the those who have been excluded. Okay, those who have been excluded from your campaign. Okay, this is the way we can use the combination or exclusion. Okay, these are the exclusions we have been added. Okay, it will be excluded from this particular campaign. Okay, this is for a demographic analysis. The one more thing is that here placement. Placement is nothing but a which type of the here where ads are shown. Okay, where ads are shown. Okay, in the sense, is it shown in a YouTube and display. Okay, what about that statistics, or we can say data related to the ad which we have been displayed in a YouTube. Okay, and we can exclude the some of the placements, like by looking at the right now we haven't run the ad, so that we don't have a data related to which are the platform Google has been shown our ad. By looking at the data, we can select the exclusions, like I don't want to show my ad in such platforms, like only show in a Google and YouTube, don't show in a other platforms, like that we can give the exclusions also once we have been. But we need a to run a campaign for that one. Okay, once you have been run a campaign for this particular ads, you will come to know that where your ads has been shown, you can pause those ads by selecting here. You can pause those placements, in the sense those platforms where Google has been shown. Okay, I don't want to show ads in that particular platform, you can also manually say that don't show in that particular platform. Okay, like this we can, by analyzing a demographic and placement, we can control our budget as well as our ad reach will be, we can maximize the ad reach, or we can say that we can reach to the right audience by managing all these different sections like demographic, audience, keyword management. By doing this, we can reach a right audience by the running a ads.